Right, so this is Auntie Steph's new washing machine, replacement washing machine. Bosch Max 6 over Bosch Classics. Bosch Classics control board went on that, so that obviously went. And I'm still leaning on the siemens dryer. Still there. Still there. Bosch Classics, so it's finishing cycle. Spin, flashing end, obviously. So we've got Cotton's 20, Riz Plus, Express Bosch, Cotton's 30, Cotton's 40, Cotton's 40 Eco, Cotton's 60, Cotton's 60 Eco, Cotton's 90, rinse, spin, drain, mix load at 30 degrees, roll at 30 degrees, delicates at 30 degrees, easy care 40, 30, off. Six kilo load. What the hell's in here? That is so jam-packed and rammed full. It's unreal. One number, WAE24063GB, variant 27. Variants, the only Jesus. And the and then you got the drain pump down here. Oh, which I can't even open, so that's bloody tough.